This is Ignition System Educational Trainer from AutoEDU, a multifunctional tool designed for hands-on learning of real automotive ignition technologies. The first mode demonstrates a classic single-spark ignition system with coil and distributor. The second mode features a modern distributorless ignition system, DIS, highlighting direct control of spark via ignition coils on paired cylinders. The third mode displays a transistorized ignition system, TSZ-h type, using a Hall sensor and control unit for precise timing and high-voltage distribution. With the turn of a key, the trainer activates. Two working modes are selectable: COP/DIS system and TSZ-h system. Adjusting the RPM control wheel simulates engine speed, allowing observation of ignition signals, coil operation, and timing changes in real time.
Posso vamos.
Ignition System Educational Trainer is built with OEM components and safety in mind, making it ideal for vocational and technical training. For more technical details, visit autoedu.com.